How to add Instagram account on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your Instagram username by copying it or memorizing it. And once you do that, go ahead to your Facebook profile page. And once you're here, scroll down to the information section, and from there click on edit public details. Once this page opens, you need to scroll all the way down to the links and click on add, and from social links click on add social link. Then select the platform from the drop down to be Instagram, and in the username field you need to paste or type in your username. Then click continue, and as you can see, Facebook has recognized your Instagram profile. And once you're okay with that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen, and then go back to your profile page. And as you can see, Facebook has added your Instagram in the info section, from which when people click on it, it will redirect them to your Instagram account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your Instagram link on your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.